Today's lesson was on 1-point perspective. What we did was we did a few of our shapes, and some students tried letters, and we tried to make them appear as if they were vanishing into the distance. Objects closer are going to be largest. As they go away from you, they become smaller. So let's get started. You're going to need a ruler and a pencil or a straight edge. A straight edge is a folder or a book that has a pretty strong edge to it, in case you don't have a ruler. First thing you're going to want to do, make a straight line. This is going to be your horizon line. And then create a dot in the middle, and that's going to be your vanishing point. We started by drawing a shape up here, a square. Some students chose to measure them out. You do not need to measure it out. Just estimate. Okay. And from this square, in order to show it's going off into the distance, you're going to connect the vanishing point to each of its corners. Like so. It looks like a building from a bird's eye view, or if you want to, you can create it into a floating square by drawing in its lines and then erasing your guidelines, your vanishing lines. Like so. We then tried one down here. Maybe a little bit larger. Like so. And you repeat. Finishing point to each corner. Objects that are closer to you are going to be larger. As they go away from you, they're going to get smaller. And what they do is they actually go to, your vanishing point. Okay, some students tried some letters. For example, if you're going to do a curved letter, write the letter and then you need to double it up to make it into a block letter and close it. And then this actually is a little bit different than a box, because not only are you going to draw a vanishing point to the end of each part of the C, but you also need to create the illusion of this being a top. So what you'll end up doing is draw this to where it touches on the top of the C, and now you've created the illusion that there's the top of the C going back into the distance. A little bit more advanced is you would go like this and make it a bit smaller and copy it, and there you would be left with a block C. All right, and again, this is the horizon line, the vanishing point. Anything above the line, you're going to see the bottom of. Anything you draw below, you'll see the top of. Practice. I can't wait to see.